I'm trying to help this situation, but you don't want to say anything. You got some emotional issue? Huh? You got some emotional issue there? What's going on? Come on, speak. You don't want to speak? Come on. What's the matter? Cat's got your tongue? Come on. What's your problem? I want to know. What's your problem? I'm trying to solve an issue here. Don't speak? Come on. What's your problem? Now you hide? Now you're hiding? Because you don't want to speak? What's your problem, man? Come on. I'm right here. Come on, let's solve a problem. You got some emotional issue there going on? Are you a psycho? Maybe. I don't know. But I don't know. You don't want to talk to me. I'm trying to solve an issue. You don't want to say anything? Come on. Come on. Let's speak. This is my bad neighbor again. He doesn't want to speak. I ask him what's going on. He doesn't want to speak at all. So this is his issue. I don't know. He's kind of a little bit crazy, I think.